Hello friends, welcome in Pharmaceutical Chemistry 2. Today's our topic is cholinergic drugs. And today we are dealing with anticholinesterase. This is part 2. Myself Mrs. Urmila Ravindra Gauri, MPharm in Quality Assurance. Learning outcomes. After watching this video, student will able to name the cholinergic drug according to IUPAC system, to understand the mechanism of action of anticholinesterase, to recognize the anticholinesterase drug on the basis of structure, physical property, uses and their official preparations. Anticholinesterase. There are two types of cholinesterase, that is acetylcholinesterase and butyrylcholinesterase. The enzyme cholinesterase catalyzes the hydrolysis of acetylcholine to choline and acetic acid at or near the site of liberation. Thus, acetylcholine is deactivated. The drug that inhibit the action of acetylcholinesterase and prolong the life of acetylcholine are called anticholinesterase or cholinesterase inhibitors. This drug produces similar pharmacological effect to that of acetylcholine. Hence, they are called indirect acting cholinergic agonist. These drugs which produces temporary inhibition of cholinesterase are called reversible anticholinesterase. For example, neostigmine and physostigmine. However, the organophosphorus ester binds strongly with the cholinesterase, and as the enzyme complex hydrolyzes slowly, the inhibition of cholinesterase is for longer duration. Hence, they are called irreversible cholinesterase inhibitor. For example, parathrin, organophosphorus insecticide. Let's start with individual drug. Neostigmine. It is a quaternary ammonium anticholinesterase. Chemical name is 3-dimethyl carbamoloxy NNN trimethyl aniline bromide. This is the structure of neostigmine, and it is a bromide salt of neostigmine. Physical property: it is occur as colorless crystalline, white crystalline powder. It is odorless and has bitter taste. It is very soluble in water. It reacts at a steric site of the acetylcholinesterase and convert it to inactive dimethyl carbamoyl derivative of the enzyme. Stability and storage: it is affected by light and moisture, atmospheric oxygen. Hence, it is stored in tightly closed light resistant container. Uses: it is used to diagnose myasthenia gravis. Its methyl sulfate salt help in diagnosis. To treat paralytic ileus, for the post-operative urinary retention, to promote expulsion of intestinal flatus, that is gas in stomach or intestine, before radiography of the kidney and ureters. To antagonize muscular relaxation due to curare-like drug or muscle relaxant used in anesthesia. Pharmaceutical formulation: it is available in neostigmine tablet, neostigmine injection. Brand name prostigmine. Next drug, pyridostigmine. Property: pyridostigmine bromide occurs as crystalline powder having an agreeable characteristic odor and a bitter taste. It is very soluble in water. Stability and storage: it is affected by light and atmospheric oxygen. Hence, it is stored in tightly closed light resistant container. Uses: it is used to diagnose myasthenia gravis, to treat paralytic ileus, for the post-operative urinary retention. Pharmaceutical formulation: pyridostigmine injection, pyridostigmine tablet. Brand name Mestinone. Next drug, physostigmine. Chemistry: it is an alkaloid which is obtained from seeds of Physostigma species. This is the structure of physostigmine. It contains hexahydropyrrole 2,3-B indole heterocycle. Here, 2,3 position of pyridine heterocycle is fused at B bond, that is 2,3 position of the indolene heterocycle. The fusion is cis. This is indolene and this is the pyrolinone. It contains methyl carbomoyloxy group at 5 position and 3 methyl radical at 8 position. Chemical name 1, 2, 3, 3A, 8, 8A, hexahydro 1, 3A, 8, trimethyl 5, methyl carbomoyloxy, pyrrole 2,3-B indole. Property: it occurs as colorless crystals. It is odorless. It is sparingly soluble in water. In presence of air, oxygen, moisture and light, it gets converted or hydrolyzed to phenolic compound which oxidize to pink colored complex. Stability and storage: it becomes pink on exposure to air and light, hence it is stored in tightly closed light resistant container. Uses: it is used to treat glaucoma, to treat poisoning with anticholinergic drug and tricyclic antidepressant drugs, for repair of post-operative oversedation, to treat some psychotic and neurological disorder, that is Alzheimer's disease, and as a miotic to counteract mydriasis. Pharmaceutical formulation: physostigmine and pilocarpine eye drop, physostigmine eye drop, physostigmine injection. Brand name Iserine with pilocarpine. Thank you so much for watching this video.